In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Slides in Gmail. By the end, you'll know the cleanest way to share a presentation so your recipients can view the latest version without dealing with large attachments. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account that owns or has access to the presentation you want to share. This helps prevent access issues later on and keeps everything in one place. Next, click Compose to start a new message. A small Compose window will open in the corner. You can add your recipients and a subject line as you normally would, and then get ready to attach your presentation from Google Drive. Look along the bottom toolbar of the Compose window and click the Google Drive icon. It looks like a small triangle. This opens the Drive Picker, where you can browse all files available in your Google Drive. If you have many files, use the search bar at the top to type the name of your slides deck. You can also switch between My Drive, Recent, or Shared with Me to locate it quickly. When you see the correct presentation, click it once to select it. If you're unsure it's the right one, glance at the file name and owner to confirm. Before inserting, look for the option that says Drive Link. Select Drive Link. This sends a link to the presentation rather than attaching a heavy file. A drive link is ideal for larger slide decks and for collaboration because recipients always open the most up-to-date version. You might also see an attachment option, but for Google Slides, Drive Link is recommended to preserve interactivity and ensure changes you make later are reflected for viewers. Click Insert. You'll be taken back to your email draft with a neatly formatted link to the slides file placed in the body of the message. Add any context you want in your message so recipients know what to look for. Then click Send. If any of your recipients don't currently have permission to view the presentation, Gmail may prompt you to adjust sharing so they can access it. Approve the suggested access, typically viewer, to keep your files secure while allowing them to open the link. That's it. You opened Gmail, composed a message, used the Google Drive icon, selected your slides presentation, chose Drive Link, inserted it, and sent your email. This method is fast, keeps your inbox light, and ensures everyone sees the latest version of your slides.